In this video, I'm going to show you how to see link accounts on Steam. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Steam on your device. You can go ahead and open the app if you have it installed, or the website on your browser. Now, and here, make sure you're signed in into your account before you proceed with the next steps. As of today, it's very hard to actually check which accounts are linked to your Steam account. There is no direct way to seeing which applications and accounts are linked to your Steam account. But what you can do is to go ahead and head over to the support section. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for My Account tab. So go ahead and click on that My Account tab. Now in this section, go ahead and scroll down and look for the data related to your Steam account tab. You'll basically find it at the bottom of this page, so click on that. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down at the bottom of this page and you'll be able to find this contact Steam support option. So go ahead and click that. Now into this section, go ahead and enter your concerns, such as you want to know which accounts are linked to your Steam account, and send this to Steam customer support. Now you'll receive a response on your Steam account, and once they respond, you'll also get notified with the Google Mail account that you've used to create the Steam account. And that is how you can simply check link accounts on your Steam account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.